Hey foodies, and welcome back to Cooking with Kiana. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make compound butter. Now I like to use this when I'm searing my steaks. I also like to use them when I'm sauteing shrimp or seafood. And I also use it when I'm making roasted or baked chicken. Now this is super easy to make. You can store it in the fridge for up to a month. You can also store it in the freezer for up to 3 months. So let me go ahead and show you guys how to make this. It's super easy and you guys are gonna love it. So let's get started. So here's everything that you're gonna need for this compound butter. I'm gonna be using about 4 basil leaves, 6 sage leaves, 6 cloves of garlic, and about maybe 6 stems of parsley, and 2 sticks of salted butter. Now these are the herbs that I like to use. You could freestyle it and use whatever type of herbs you like. So let me go ahead and cut this up. I'm just gonna go ahead and roll this up, and then we're gonna give this a chop. Try to cut these as finely as you can. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and chop up the parsley. Just make sure you remove it from those stems. Then I'm gonna go ahead and roll that up into like a ball and then go ahead and chop that. And then moving on to the sage, I'm just gonna go ahead and separate that leaf from the stem. Just go ahead and pull that off and give that a good chop as well. All right, so let's move on to the garlic. Just go ahead and give that a nice mince. Do not use minced garlic. Mince it yourself. It will taste much better. So I just went ahead and chopped my butter up into cubes. That way it will be easier for it to mix together. So once you softened up that butter a little bit and got it to mash out, go ahead and add in the garlic and all of the fresh herbs. Then you're gonna go ahead and give that a good mix until everything is well incorporated. At this point, go ahead and form it into a loaf-like shape. Don't worry if the shape looks a little funny. We're gonna go ahead and roll it out in the saran wrap. So it's gonna smooth everything out and give it that nice log shape that we're looking for. And there you go, you have compound butter. Stay tuned for part 2 where I show you guys how to make roasted chicken with this. And I'm also gonna show you guys how to make garlic butter steak and shrimp. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video.